I will talk about how can you fix this problem on your Dollar General app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so just go down here. Then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list. In here, can you looking for Dollar General app here, or just click here on search. Then here add Dollar General. Then you click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on first stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, click here on storage, then you come to storage list. Just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do now, so you just go to your Play Store. So you click here on Play Store, then you search for Dollar General app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.